Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, we're going to learn how ChatGPT can help you write a recipe or help you with a dietary plan, because ChatGPT can do that as well. So the first thing we should do is head over to our ChatGPT. If you haven't logged in yet, then you should. Okay, so here we are on ChatGPT. There seems to be some problem with my connection, so let's wait a bit. So let's ask ChatGPT that I want to gain more weight for the next month. And then here we are. ChatGPT is now giving us an advice in order to help us gain weight for the next few months. And then now I'm gonna ask how to create milk tea at home, where ChatGPT will also give you a recipe on how to do this. Oh no, wait, let me try again. How to cook sushi at home instead. And as you can see, ChatGPT gives us all the ingredients and the procedure in order to make the sushi at home. It's really helpful, especially if you want everything at the one place. You don't want to Google stuff and you want to talk to someone like it's teaching you how to do things, then ChatGPT is really good for that. So I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.